me.
Thank you. That's too long. That's too long. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself. Myself is very Twitter and give
Dikit kayong nong. Baka na.
Quran.
Nagdikit kayong nong.
Myself. You. Why are you living for current jail? Answer.
Dikit kay karong si Man Amber.
Trey, why are you leaving your current role?
Do not ask me where I'm living to be currently. God give me my current role.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that's it.
Oh,
I'm living for no reason.
Mandalones, ali sa good.
You again.
yo, again. What is biggest weakness?
Balo kag format dili ni mga
Grabing nakadikit gid.
Dikit? Hindi dikit.
kuha ng mga highlights.
I don't have weakness.
I don't think.